Hey guys, I'm going to go over some of these probability problems. So for this problem here, a bag contains 20 marbles, which are four different colors. The number of marbles of each color shown in the table below. What is the probability of choosing a red marble? So we need the total in the denominator and then the number of red in the numerator. I'll use red, number of red. Okay, so there's 9 red. And the total, well, we can add all these up together. So 2 plus 7 is 9, plus 9 is 18, plus another 2 is 20. So it's going to be 9 over 20. Now when I turn this into a decimal, it's going to be top in, bottom out. What I mean is the numerator is going to be in the division, this little house, and 20 goes into 9, and it's going to be 0.45. I want to keep this video a little bit short. Two different spinners now are twirled. What is the probability of spinning a combination of odd number and then B? So we've got 1 out of 3 for this. Oh, excuse me, what am I doing? Okay, so I need the total number of outcomes here. So in this, there's 3 total. And odd numbers, there's 2 of them are odd. And then I want a B in the second one. There's 2 different choices, so it's going to be 2. That's my sample space. And there's only one of them is B. So then I'm going to multiply, and that gives me 2 over 6, which simplifies. And this is odd number and a B. And this simplifies to 1/3 if I divide both by 2. It gives me D 1/3. Lastly, last problem, Mandy noticed that out of 25 students, of this small sample, there's 25 entering the building at Willowville Elementary School this morning. 10 of them were carrying a lunchbox. Okay, so 10 out of 25 were carrying a lunchbox. If these students are representative of the entire school, how many of the Willowville's 150 students would you expect to have brought a lunchbox? Well, we want to now turn this into, so 10 out of the sample of 25. Now we want to figure out how many, this x here, would bring it out of 150. So I can cross multiply and then divide by x. So 150 times 10 is equal to 25 times x. So 1500 is equal to 25x. And then lastly, I can divide both sides by 25, which will give me top in, bottom out, 1500 divided by 25. 25 goes into 150 6 times. 25 times 6 is 150. Minus 0, bring down the 0, and 0. So the answer is going to be A, 60 students. I went through this process a little bit fast, but this is the real part. We're setting up one ratio, and then extrapolating it, making it a little bit bigger with 150 total students. All right, everyone, thank you very much, and good luck.